Hi everyone, I'm Emily and welcome to Crystal Flare. Today I'll show you how to assemble this adorable angel suncatcher, a relaxing little project that's perfect for beginners and craft lovers. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs a little sparkle in their life, and subscribe to my channel. Now here's a quick look at the materials you'll need. Feel free to pause the video here to check everything carefully. I've also put together a complete DIY kit. It comes with all the supplies you see here plus a cute gift pouch. You can check the link in my bio if you'd like to grab one for yourself or as a handmade present. Let's get started. First, cut about 30 to 40 centimeters or 12 to 16 inches of beading wire. A little extra gives you more freedom to work. Next, slide the teardrop crystal onto the middle of your wire. This will be your angel's body and the heart of your suncatcher. Now let's build her wings. Add 3-star crystals to each side of the teardrop. They'll catch the light beautifully. Try to match them in size and sparkle for a balanced look. You're doing great. Already looking magical. Slide on a 4mm bead next. This acts as the neck and helps hold everything steady. Then add the 10mm round crystal for the head. Followed by the halo ring. And finish with a tiny white flower as the crown. Add one more 4mm bead to lock everything in place. You can also add a crimp bead here for extra hold. Awesome job! Your angel is coming to life. Now it's time to decorate the hanging strand. With the remaining wire, start adding a mix of 4mm and 8mm beads. You can go for rainbow tones, soft pastels, or sparkling clear. Totally your call. Trust your eye and have fun with it. Need help with length? Here's what I recommend. Keychain or bag charm. 6 to 8 centimeters, about 2.5 to 3 inches. Car mirror, 15 to 18 centimeters, 6 to 7 inches. Window or home decor, 20 to 30 centimeters or longer if you'd like a dramatic effect. Tip: if you're hanging it somewhere windy, keep the strand a bit shorter to avoid tangles. You've got this. Your piece is looking beautiful already. Once you're happy with your strand, slide on a crimp bead to secure everything at the top. You can even loop the wire back into the crimp to make a simple hanging loop. And just like that, your angel is ready to shine. Hang her in a sunny spot and watch the rainbows dance. So peaceful, so pretty. Bonus sparkle tips: place your Suncatcher where morning or afternoon light hits. On cloudy days, a flashlight works too. And remember to gently wipe the crystals now and then to keep them sparkling. Thanks so much for crafting with me today. If this video brought you a little peace or inspiration, give it a like, share it with your creative friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more calming, sparkly DIYs. You did amazing, and as always, keep shining.